In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your design in Illustrator. Once your artwork is ready to share or hand off, the final step is to export it properly. We'll use Illustrator's built-in export as command, so you get clean, predictable files from your artboards. Start by going to the top menu, then choose File, Export, and Export As. This opens the export dialog where you'll set the essentials. First, type a clear, memorable name for your file. Consider using a version number or a short descriptor like Poster V2 or Logo Dark so it's easy to track later. Next, choose your file format. PNG is great for web graphics that need transparency like logos or icons. JPG is ideal for photos or flattened images where a small file size matters and transparency isn't needed. SVG is perfect for scalable vector assets, especially for web and UI because it stays crisp at any size. PDF is your go-to for print-ready documents or for sharing a design that preserves vector quality. Before you move on, check the box labeled Use Artboards. This is important. It ensures Illustrator exports exactly what sits inside each artboard, and if you have multiple artboards, creates a separate file for each one. If you don't check this, Illustrator will export the entire visible artwork area, which can include elements that extend beyond the artboard's edges. Now, decide whether to export all artboards or just a range. If you only need specific pages or sizes, enter a range like 1 to 3. This helps keep your exports organized and prevents generating unnecessary files. Click Export and you'll see format-specific options. For PNG, choose the resolution. Lower values work for screens, while higher values suit print. You can also keep the background transparent if your design requires it. For JPG, set the quality to balance clarity and file size. Higher quality means crisper images but larger files. For SVG, opt for settings that keep paths clean and text readable. Outlining fonts can help ensure consistency when sharing. For PDF, pick a preset that matches your use case, high quality for print or a smaller file for quick sharing, and consider whether you need to preserve Illustrator editing capabilities if you plan to reopen it later. Confirm your choices, and Illustrator will export each artboard as a separate file named with your base file name plus the